Here's how you can use ElevenLabs in order to clone your voice. If you want to clone your voice or any voice that you have, by using ElevenLabs, this is how you can do it, and it is way easier than you think. First of all, go onto your Google browser, or it can be any browser that you're using, and search for ElevenLabs. You'll be directed to the main website. First of all, make sure that you're logged into an account. You can do it by clicking on the top right corner. You'll have a login or sign up option. Once you're logged in, this is the page you'll see. You'll have a ton of options. What you'll need to do is find the clone your voice option, which is here. You can design an entirely new voice, or you can clone your voice. You'll need to click on clone your voice. Here you'll see some options. You'll need to click on create or clone a voice. Here you'll again see some options. If you want to clone your voice instantly, you'll need to click on the middle option. But as you can see, for that you would need at least the starter plan of ElevenLabs. So in order to clone your voice easily, you'll need to buy one of their subscriptions, as they said at least the starter pack, which is the $1 per month package. The professional voice clone feature would be unlocked once you purchase the package, but the one that you can use is the voice design feature. By doing that, you can design a voice that you want to use. Just click on it, and now you can prompt it what kind of voice that you want. You can also randomize it if you want, or just add in the details about the voice that you want. Also, you can give it a text that will be the text to speech. Once you add in more details, you can click on settings in order to adjust the loudness, the quality, or the guidance scale. Once you do all that, just click on generate voice and you'll be able to design your own voice. That is how by using ElevenLabs, you can design your own voice or even clone your voice if you want. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.